More news coming in ahead of the Prime Minister's Parliament response. BJP's Aaj class lagegi warning for Rahul. BJP promises big counter to Rahul Gandhi's lies. The Prime Minister's response is in Parliament at 4 p.m. today. Expect some massive escalation in the Parliament when it comes to the Prime Minister's response. Listen in to what Rahul Gandhi had said.
एज एन एलओपी
अच्छी लगी
बात रखा है
आपको? अच्छी लगी
सर?
अच्छी नहीं लगी?
हमारा तो सर फैक्ट से बात है। आपने जो फैक्ट रखे, सरकार की तरफ से कई मिनिस्टर्स काउंटर कर रहे थे।
थैंक यू।
पहली स्पीच थी एज एन एलओपी
अच्छी लगी
बात रखा है
आपको? अच्छी लगी
सर?
अच्छी नहीं लगी?
हमारा तो सर फैक्ट से बात है। आपने जो फैक्ट रखे, सरकार की तरफ से कई मिनिस्टर्स काउंटर कर रहे थे।
थैंक यू।
Amit Bharadwaj getting asked more details on that story. Amit Malviya, the Bharatiya Janata Party says aaj class lagegi, also indicating that there is going to be a fiery response to what Gandhi said in Parliament yesterday. Amit.
Right, Sneha, we have seen in the past as well, whenever Rahul Gandhi has spoken at length in Lok Sabha, the BJP has come all prepared to counter Rahul Gandhi's narrative, and that is expected today. Yesterday, Rahul Gandhi had made fiery speech which had triggered response from the government. The Prime Minister himself stood twice to put his response. Then Home Minister Amit Shah, Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh, all these leaders, the ministers had actually stood responded, or rather raised interjections also to Rahul Gandhi's speech. And today what we are given to understand that it could be Bansuri Swaraj giving a response to Rahul Gandhi's speech, and eventually around 4 p.m. when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be speaking himself, obviously there will be an attempt to tear into Rahul Gandhi and Congress party the claims that were made in the speech yesterday, be it in regards to the hate narrative that Rahul Gandhi has labelled on the BJP and the Sangha Parivar, or be it the way Rahul Gandhi has alleged that in the past 10 years there is no achievement of the BJP government, counting whether it be Manipur or NEET or Agniveer. So today what is expected is that this war of word will further escalate, with several of the BJP MPs trying to counter Rahul Gandhi, and eventually at 4 p.m. that mega showdown will begin, is expected to begin when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be giving his address on the floor of the House in Lok Sabha. It will be primarily thanks to President's speech, but that will be also an opportunity for Prime Minister to actually attack Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party. Sneha.
Thanking you for the moment. Amit Bharadwaj getting us up to speed with what really is expected in Parliament today.